Okay, here we are back in math class. Okay, shake your heads into math. Just as I said yesterday in Zoom class, we're going to start learning. The ones who know them already, good for you. Just you'll have to practice them again, okay? But the ones who don't, you will have to start learning your multiplication tables. Why? Because from now on, actually a little bit further on, not just yet, the math operations are going to get a little bit more complicated. We're going to start having two different operations in one question, okay? Maybe three, maybe even four, right? So for that, when we're multiplying or when we're dividing, we won't be able anymore. You will be, but it will be much slower, okay? To draw things or make little lines or whatever, okay? So that's why we need to start learning our timetables. We're going to go super easy each week, okay? At the beginning, we're going to go one timetable at a time. And then if I see that we can go two timetables at a time, we'll go two. If not, that's fine. Okay? So, don't start yet. Next week, we're going to have our timetables written for you to learn them. Okay? So, as we're used to, every single math class, mental math, yeah? The mental math also, it's going to be not that easy anymore, but not so difficult either, okay? So, I need everybody with a paper, copybook or paper, and a pencil, okay? Remember I said it last time, I don't mind if you don't copy the exercises. You can just write the answer there. But yes, what I need definitely is the answer, okay? And remember, all the things we do, leave them in that copybook you're using. And if you're using papers, put them into a folder, put them away, so when we come back to school, you can give me all the work you've been doing so I can see it and check it, yeah? Super. So, our mental math for today. Remember, as this is a video, it's quite easy for you guys. Once I finish copying them, you put stop to the video, you pause the video, you do your exercises, and then you put play again, and you will get the answer of the exercise so you can check your work. Let's go. 170 minus 30. 2, 34 plus 10. 3, 110 minus 20. 4, 310 plus 50. 5, 790 minus 60. 6, 820 minus 30. 7, 300 plus 16. 8, 900 minus 200. 9, 530 plus 60. And number 10, 425 plus 25. Okay? Remember, you can copy them or not. Your decision. Now it's time to pause the video so you can do the exercises. Yeah? You pause it, you do them, you come back to the video, we check. The answers of today's mental math, so you can check them. 70 minus, everything's falling today. 70 minus 30, 40, good job. 34 plus 10, 44. 110 minus 20, good one, 90. 310 plus 50, 360. 790 minus 60, 730. 820 minus 30, 790. 300 plus 16, 316. 900 minus 200, 700. 530 plus 60, 590. And the last one, 425 plus 25, 450. Remember, if the answer is correct, I make a check. If it's wrong, I make a cross and I write the correct answer. Okay, I write it next to it. Don't erase your answer. Okay, this is not with a grade, it's not a test. We're just practicing. Okay, super. Now, this week we learned something very important. We saw it yesterday again in our Zoom class, and we saw it in one of the, I think it was the Monday video. Okay, adding and subtracting money. I know this can be a little bit complicated for some of you, but don't stress yourselves. Okay, don't get complicated, don't get stressed. Okay, it's just a normal addition. We need practice for this. If you couldn't do it the first class, well, of course. That's not a problem. I'm sorry, I'm getting a cough. Okay? That is definitely not a problem. We're going to practice it. We're going to work with it many, many times. So if you don't get that, don't worry. Okay. You remember that I showed you, I sent to you a picture of all the different coins in Britain, okay? In England, all the different coins. As we are a Cambridge school, we work with that money. I know that we live in Chile. In Chile we have a different currency type of money, yeah? But we're a Cambridge school living in Chile. So we work with British things. Cambridge is from Britain, okay? That's why we're using this weird money maybe for some of you, okay? So, we're going to play like a game today. We're going to go to the supermarket, okay? We're going to go shopping. In the supermarket, I've got milk, okay? I've got grapes. Yeah? Let me write here my boxes. I've got sweets. I've got sweets. I've got pizzas. Okay, let's put some vegetables on these pizzas. Let's put some pepperoni. Okay, and we can have some green peppers as well. There we go. Okay, we've got pizzas. We've got a bottle of juice. Okay. The milk costs, these are not real prices, okay? I don't know what the prices are now over there. I haven't been lately over there. So they're invented prices. This one will cost £2.50. Yeah? This packet of sweets, they will cost 3p. A bunch of grapes will cost 50p. Yeah? The pizza is a bit more expensive. The pizza costs £7.30 or pence. And the juice will cost, let's say it costs 3 pence and 70. Okay? Ready, steady, go? Okay. Let's imagine I ask you, one of you, to go to the supermarket today. And I tell you, I give you a list. Here's my list. Okay? I want a pizza. And I want some juice. Okay? But I don't know how much it is. How much is the pizza and the juice? The pizza is £7.30. What about the juice? The juice is £3.70. Remember, everything has to go in the correct position. If not, we will go wrong, okay? Now, I want those two things, so I need to add them. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 7, 10. Good one. I write my 0 and I put my 1 above. Yeah, you remember that one? Adding money is exactly the same as adding any number, right? 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. Don't forget to put your dot there. So, if I ask you, how much is my pizza and the juice? How much money do I need to take? Miss Kim, you need to take 11 pounds. Okay? Let's go to another one. Still playing with the supermarket. Okay. Now I need some milk and some grapes. Remember, I always need my places, okay? So, how much is the milk? 2 pounds and 50 pence. And how much are the grapes? Well, the grapes are only 50 pence. You see that if we keep the correct position, we are more than fine. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. But next to me are the dots. So I don't put the 1 on top of the dots. I put it on top of the whole, exactly. So, 2 plus 0, 2, plus 1, 3. Miss Kim, you need to take 3 pounds. Yeah? Now we're going to go to a difficult one. Remember, always keeping the places, always keeping the positions. Okay? Don't forget about that. That is the most important thing at this point. Yeah? Now, I want sweets. Yeah? And I want a pizza. Listen properly this time because I'm going to do 2 things in one. How much are the sweets? 3 pounds. How much is the pizza? 7 pounds and 30 pence. Yeah? 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 3, 3. I've got the dot there. 3 plus 7, 10. Miss Kim, you need 10 pounds and 30 pence. Yeah? Oh, okay, that is what I need. I need 10 pounds and 30 pence. But I only have a bill, a note, okay? A bill of 20 pounds. That's what I have. A bill of 20 pounds to pay the 10 pounds and 30 pence. How much will I receive back? How much money will I get back? So, I write my 20 pounds there, and then I write my 10 and 30 pounds. This is difficult. This is the first time I'm showing you this, so don't worry, yeah? 0 minus 0, can I do it? No. What do I do? Neighbor. My neighbor has nothing, so I have to go to the next neighbor. The next neighbor has nothing. I have to go to the next neighbor. Now yes, neighbor, nothing. Neighbor, yes. Neighbor, yes. Sorry, this one doesn't need any. There. 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 3. Can I do it now? Sure, I can do it. It's a 7. Fantastic. The ones with the dots. 9 minus 0, 9. And 1 minus 1, 0, right? You don't need to put the 0 if it's right at the beginning. So, if I pay with a 20, how much money do I have?